Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a drop on your Canva sheets on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a drop down list or drop down on your Canva sheets on your mobile phone. For that, first step you just need to click on any cell. You just need to insert a drop down. Then click on the action button, and then see how you just need to search as drop, and you have this option called drop down. Click on this. After clear here, you have the presets of drop down like yes or no, high, medium, low, and status and approval. So just go with the high, medium, low. So you can just set your option like I just need to be high. So you can just change the drop down list by just clicking on it. And if you just need a customized drop down, just go to the search again and just type as drop and click on this. Now you have to create a drop down. Click this. Here you have this option like option 1, option 2, option 3. Just tap on the option, so you can just add more options like this. And you click on the edit option, so you can just easily edit the option 1. For an example, like it's a red color like that, and you can also choose the color of that, like whatever the color you just needed. And also this is the thing that you can just easily change the options or your opinion by using this drop down list. I think this video, if you do not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful day.